So, you know when you're in a quiet room and you feel a sneeze coming and you just hold it in? Yeah, don't do that. A sneeze leaves your body at like 100 miles per hour. When you trap that force inside, it has to go somewhere. People have cracked ribs from holding in a sneeze, ruptured blood vessels in their eyes. One guy literally tore a hole in his throat. Your body was trying to launch something out of you at highway speed, and you said no. That pressure doesn't just disappear. It finds somewhere else to go. And it's never somewhere good.